So it is like 7:30 in the morning.
Probably 9.
Like 9 in the morning.
It's like 8:30, guys.
Yeah, we woke up early again.
9.
Anyway, we are going to film for Robin, who is Caitlin's sister, because she is in school for this shiz. So we're going to film her hiking. And Caitlin's going to continue to be angry and mean.
And hold the umbrella. That's her job for the day.
Ow! Because she just nailed my knuckle, kicking me with her little rain boots.
Angry and mean.
Jerk. Caitlin's probably the most prepared with the rain jacket, rain boots, and umbrella. And she's hogging the umbrella.
What a glorious feeling. I'm happy today.
Obviously we're out here just with the Canon 7D and Manfrotto tripod and just recording Robin walking up and down trails and hills and stuff. So what I try to do to get a stabilization feel is just take the tripod, spread the legs all the way out, and then you can just walk with it like this versus doing the handheld look and it's all jittery and stuff. So pretty much a guerrilla filmmaking style stabilization. It works well though. You should try it if you haven't. I'll show you some footage at the end of the vlog. Stay tuned.
Make silly faces.
We just got done filming in the wet rain. We just got done filming in the wet, cold rain on the hiking trails, and I went into a creek. Well, it was more like a river right now, wouldn't you say? I went into a river with tennis shoes and blue jeans on. So, you know, I didn't really do like the Technicolor City style or anything like that. Just all kind of standard, pretty standard run and gun type stuff. But anyway, hopefully I can put some footage on the end. Alright, so since my shoes and socks and everything got all wet, we had to run by Walmart to get me some new socks. So I have those on, but now Caitlin has an event at Goodwill. They actually are just sponsoring a race car driver. So it's kind of the big launch of that. So this is what happens when you do video and know a little bit about photography and your girlfriend works for the administrative office in communications. You know, communications, they do all kinds of PR, marketing stuff. You get put on photography duty and on smoothie run. So that's my job today, is to take pictures, I guess. Caitlin, what are you doing?
Couponing.
Shopping with Caitlin requires carrying a whole binder and thousands of coupons, but it saves money, so.
What?
That is it for today's vlog. Got all of our grocery shopping done for Easter tomorrow. Gonna have some good food. I hope it turns out good. I know it will. But anyway, I'm actually editing the vlog right now. I'm editing this vlog right now, and I realized that I never closed it out. So this is closing it out. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe, and remember, keep it cool. Peace. Okay.
Shopping at the mart.
I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm gonna get kicked out.